Was a crazy one on this day, but I'm going to try to cut to the chase, pun intended. I had a toilet bolt that nothing would cut through. This darn toilet bolt. It was stuck. It was seized really bad, and here comes the story. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. So on this one I had a badly frozen toilet bolt, and I've showed you guys this before a couple different times. This one I tried using a spray lube. This one I used the R444. Then I tried a jam bar, which I actually bought 4 years ago and never got around to using. And today on this day, I think it was yesterday, tried to use it. No, it was the day before yesterday, but anyway, tried to use it, and it didn't work. I could not get that bolt free. Now, part of it was my fault in that I had a toilet bolt to tank leaking, and I tried to tighten it first. And you know, sometimes you can get away with it. You tighten something, and then it stops the leak. But sometimes tightening it makes it worse. And on this one, that bolt was seized. Nothing would take it out. I could not get it out. I tried heat. I tried, the jam bar. I tried, screwdriver on the inside. Vice grips on the outside. Eventually, I wound up trying to cut it out. And the thing was, I had a metal cutting blade, my Sawzall. I had two different types of metal cutting blades in my Sawzall, a 14 I think and a 24. Neither one of them would cut that thing, and I fought with it. My battery died on the reciprocating saw. I wound up needing to come back the next day, and again I tried seeing if maybe the lubricant would have penetrated the bolt and freed it up. Nothing would come out. I'm trying to spare you all the noise and everything here and kind of cut to the chase, but what wound up getting it was just as my Sawzall with the battery was starting to go low again. I was like, oh no. I tried just on a whim changing the Sawzall back to what was a wood cutting blade with nails. A little bit longer, could reach in there further, and that thing went right through it. So it was just kind of one of those things. I had been struggling trying to get the darn thing to go, and all it took was the wood cutting blade for the Sawzall. That one went right through. Guess I should have used that blade the whole time. This one was meant for wood. Wood with nails. I was using the metal one. Alright, we're through. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Hope you like the video, and subscribe to get the latest content. New videos posted often.
Are you held by the cells of your flesh? Are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. Said it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. which was lost. He came to show sin is the way out through his cross. Repent and believe and be born again. Ask and receive as God does send the Spirit of truth into your heart, cleansing your conscience, giving you a clean start. You are in a battle, surrounded by the angels at war. Do you hear the knocking?